Classification of numbers. Explain it with example. Classification of numbers refers to categorizing numbers into different types or groups based on their properties and characteristics. The most common classification of numbers includes the following categories. Natural numbers, n. Natural numbers are the counting numbers starting from 1 and going infinitely. They do not include zero or negative numbers. Example: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whole numbers, w. Whole numbers are similar to natural numbers but also include 0, 0. Example: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Integers, z. Integers include both positive and negative whole numbers, including 0. Example: -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Rational numbers, q. Rational numbers are numbers that can be expressed as a ratio of two integers, a fraction, where the denominator is not 0. They can be terminating or repeating decimals. Example: 1/2, 3/4, 0.75, 2.5. Irrational numbers, I. Irrational numbers cannot be expressed as a fraction or ratio of two integers. They have non-terminating and non-repeating decimal expansions. Example: square root 2, pi, pi, e. Real numbers, r. Real numbers include both rational and irrational numbers. They represent the complete set of numbers on the number line. Example: 1, -5, 0.5, square root 2, pi. Imaginary numbers, I. Imaginary numbers are represented by the imaginary unit, I, where I squared equals -1. They are typically expressed in the form a plus b, where a and b are real numbers. Example: 3i, 2i, 4 plus 5i. Complex numbers, c. Complex numbers are a combination of real and imaginary numbers. They can be expressed as a plus b, where a and b are real numbers. Example: 3 plus 2i, 1 to 4i, 5i. These categories of numbers provide a way to organize and understand different types of numbers based on their properties and mathematical relationships.